Hello student, today we are going to learn different energy sources and classification of energy resources. Okay. We use different form of energy in our daily life. We use heat energy to cook food, electrical energy to run TV and refrigerators, mechanical energy to work, chemical energy to run our vehicles. To get this energy, we need a source like heat energy to cook food comes from burning the LPG gas in our homes. So, LPG is an energy sources. Okay. Electrical energy to run TV comes from power plants. The power plants can be hydraulic, generated from water, or thermal, generated from coal or solar energy. Okay. Mechanical energy to work comes from our body. Chemical energy to run vehicles comes from petrol. So, the energy comes from different sources. Okay. Now, what is the classification of energy resources? Energy resources mainly divided into two parts based on traditional use, that means primary use. Usually this energy we use, this is divided into conventional energy resource and non-conventional energy resource. Number 2, based on long-term availability. This resource available long time. This is divided into two parts: renewable energy resources and non-renewable energy resources. Okay. Now, what is conventional sources of energy? Energy sources which we have been used since a long time and which are present in a limited quantity are known as the conventional sources of energy. Conventional sources of energy are the natural energy resources which are present in a limited quantity and are being used for a long time. Example: coal, wood, petroleum, natural gas, etc. are all conventional sources of energy. Okay. Now, what is non-conventional sources of energy? Non-conventional sources of energy. Energy sources, those are newly discovered, which we have just started using, are known as the non-conventional sources of energy. Example: wind energy, solar energy, nuclear energy, etc. are all the non-conventional sources of energy. Okay. Now, what is renewable sources of energy? Energy resources which are continuously and freely produced in the nature are known as the renewable sources of energy. Renewable sources of energy are those sources of energy which can be renewed, fresh or new naturally over time. Okay. Since renewable sources of energy will never get exhausted, they are called inexhaustible source of energy. Solar energy, biomass energy, wood energy, geothermal energy, wind energy, tidal energy, ocean energy, etc. are all renewable sources of energy. Now, what is non-renewable resources of energy? Non-renewable resources are those natural resources that are available in limited quantity. They cannot be renewed in a short duration. Since non-renewable sources of energy will get exhausted within some days, within any short period or short duration, they are exhausted. They are called exhaustible resources of energy. Example: coal, natural gas, petroleum, nuclear power, etc. they are non-renewable resources of energy. They are available in limited quantity. They are exhausted within short period. Okay. Now, what are the different types of renewable resources of energy? Solar energy is the renewable resources of energy. Sun is a big sources of energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Nowadays, solar energy is being used to cook food with the help of solar cooker, heat water, light strips, pump water for irrigation field, etc. Okay. Wind power. Wind power is a renewable sources of energy. Wind are constantly being created in nature. The windmill is a source of electrical energy. These windmills are generally established only at places where most of the days in a year experience strong winds. The energy from this wind is used for grinding gains. Grinding gains means cover of the gain, pumping water, and to produce electricity. Okay. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is a renewable resources of energy. Geothermal energy is the thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. Geothermal energy is the heat that comes from the subsurface of the earth. It is contained in the rocks and fluid beneath the earth crust. That means beneath, under the outside layer of a rocky planet, and can be found as far down to the earth, hot molten rock. Okay. Biomass energy. Biomass is a renewable resources of energy. Biogas is a type of fuel which is a mixture of gases such as methane, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, etc., which is obtained by decomposition of animal and plants waste like animal dung with the help of microorganisms in the presence of water. It is used as fuel in gas stove, especially in rural areas. Now, tidal energy. Energy from ocean. Tidal energy is a renewable source of energy. Tidal energy converts energy obtained from tides into useful form of powers, mainly electricity. Tidal energy is power produced by the surge of ocean water. Surge means a sudden powerful forward or upward movement during the rise and fall of tides. Although not yet widely used, tidal energy has the potential for future. Okay. Now, what are the different types of non-renewable resources of energy? Coal energy is a non-renewable resources of energy. Coal is also known as black diamond. Coal is used as a fuel to generate electricity and in factories and steam engines. Okay. Petroleum is a non-renewable resources of energy. Petroleum is also known as mineral oil or crude oil. This liquid mineral is refined to make fuel such as petrol, diesel, cooking gas and kerosene. Plastic, cosmetics and lubricant are also products of petroleum. It is found deep inside the earth or under the sea floor. Okay. Natural gas. Natural gas is a non-renewable sources of energy. Natural gas is used as a fuel called compressed natural gas or CNC. Okay. Some oils dug into the earth, কিছু কূপ excavation when dealing to access liquid resource, usually water, produce only natural gas. Natural gases is a good alternative to petrol and diesel, and it is used as compressed natural gas CNG it burn easily and produce a lot of heat. It is a good source of hydrogen. Okay. Nuclear power. Nuclear power is a non-renewable resources of energy. The fuel used for nuclear energy is generally uranium, which is in a limited supply. Production of electricity from nuclear energy does not release carbon dioxide. Thus, use of nuclear energy is a safe for the environment. Okay, it is clear, my student.